After the successful launch of the Redmi Note 5 Pro, Xiaomi has just launched the Redmi Note 6 Pro in India, and today we decided to do a blind test camera comparison of the Redmi Note 6 Pro. The first impressions and the unboxing is already up on the channel, so you can go ahead and check that. But today we're going to do a blind test comparison because you people seem to like a lot of it. So what are we going to compare it to? We are obviously comparing it to last year's Redmi Note 5 Pro, but also the very popular Realme 2 Pro. So we're doing a blind test of the Redmi Note 6 Pro with the Redmi Note 5 Pro and the Realme 2 Pro. So for the people who don't know what blind tests are, we're going to show you pictures of the three phones. We're going to mark them A, B and C. We don't know which one's going to be A, B and C, neither do you. So you're going to take a look at the pictures with a clear mind. You're not going to have any bias when you look at these pictures. And what I request is, before you take a look at the results at the end of this video, what you have to do is pause the video just before you take a look at the results. Go down in the comment sections and write what you think is A, or what you think is B, or what you think is C, and what you think is the best smartphone camera among the three. And then you can go ahead and take a look at the results. I'm sure a lot of you are going to cheat on this, but if you're a true Mr. Phone fan, I know for a fact that you're going to go down in the comment section and write your thoughts before you take a look at the final results. And so with that, here's Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and let's get this party started. this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and right now you are seeing a video from the front camera of the 3 cameras, and standing against a very well lit background, which is probably why even in the background is quite blown out. And now I'll shift and you'll see that I as a subject am well lit, and there's quite a lot of light falling on my face. So let me know what you think of the audio and the video quality. So now that you've taken a look at all the pictures, you can pause the video right now, go down in the comment section and let us know what you think is A, B or C, and what you think is your favorite smartphone camera among the 3. Now that you've done that, let me tell you which one is which. So we'll start with C, and the C in these pictures was the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So the Redmi Note 5 Pro was all the pictures marked C. The Realme 2 Pro was all the pictures marked B, and obviously the Redmi Note 6 Pro is all the pictures that are marked A. So A, Redmi Note 6 Pro, B, Realme 2 Pro, and C, Redmi Note 5 Pro. So that was the blind test camera comparison. Please let me know what you thought of this in the comment section below. If you have any feedback to give me, please do that again in the comment section below. A detailed camera comparison of these 3 phones is coming very soon. Varun is working on it, and we'll get to see what the 3 cameras have in store for us. But please let me know what you thought of this blind test. And Mr. Phone Awards, as a lot of you know, are going on, and if you haven't voted yet, please do that. Please go in the comment section. You'll find the link for the Mr. Phone Awards. You can go and vote for your favorite phone, and if you don't know already, voting for the User Choice Awards automatically enters you into a giveaway contest where 5 lucky winners stand a chance to win gift vouchers from Amazon worth ₹500. So go ahead, vote if you haven't already. And with that, we come to an end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and I'll catch you in the next one.